Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to be looking at Unit 9 in our Smart English Starters Student Book today. So please open your books to page 58. Now, before we start looking at this new unit, we need to review a couple of things. So first, let's think back. A few units ago, we talked about numbers and different objects that we can find in class. So, let's see if you remember these objects. What is this? That's right, it's a pencil. What is this? It's an eraser. And what about this? It's a crayon. And what about this? It's a book. Now, when we were talking about these objects, we would say things like how many. So, for example, how many crayons? One crayon. Very good. Now let's do a quick review game. I will hold up an object and then I will roll this die here. When I roll the die, you will say how many of the object I have, okay? So let's start easy. How many books? 4 books, very good. Now, what do you see in this picture? We have 2 characters, and where are they? They're outside. And outside, there are all sorts of different things. Yeah, there are different kinds of fruit. So they are at a market. And they are trying to buy fruit or give each other fruit. Now, we will talk about the different types of fruit soon. But first, let's practice our key sentences. So please listen to each of these sentences 2 times.
Here you are. Here you are.
Okay, can you repeat after me? Here you are. Very good. Everybody together? Here you are. Wonderful. All right, now I will ask you and you will repeat it to me. You'll answer me. So if I say, here you are, what do you say? Thank you. Very good. Okay, let's watch a short video.
Unit 9, Fruits.
Here you are. Thank you.
Okay, now what did he give her? That's right, he gave her an apple. He gave her an apple. And when he gave her the apple, he said, here you are. And when she took the apple, she said, thank you. So let's practice that with our partners. I want one person to say, here you are, and the other to say, thank you, and practice giving things to each other. Then switch roles. So the other person will say, here you are, and the other person will say, thank you. All right, let's have you practice, and then you will act out together. Okay, everyone, let's sing a song together. So what I would like you to do first is to listen and watch the video that we play on the screen. Are you ready? Good. Now, let's look at the words together and we will practice them together before you practice singing to each other. So let's zoom in. We can see here. Let's read together. Everybody to follow after me. Here you are. Thank you. Here you are. Here you are. Thank you. Now, how many times do we say thank you? What is this number here? That's right, it's 3. So we say thank you 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then we do that one more time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, now, with a partner, I want you to practice reading these lyrics to the song. Then we will practice singing the song. And then, if somebody is brave, we will have you sing the song. Are you ready? Very good. Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn to practice. So look here at this picture. Who is speaking? That's right, it's Ken. Ken is speaking. So we need somebody to answer him. So let's listen to what Ken says.
It's your turn. Track 89.
Here you are.
Okay, what should you say? That's right, you should say thank you. Okay, I would like you to practice this with your friend. One person be Ken and then switch to the other role so that you can both practice speaking. So let's do that one more time together. Okay, everyone, now it's time to talk about those different fruits that we see in the picture here. Now, we've already talked about one. What is this? It's an apple. Apples. But how many apples are there? Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 apple? No, there are 4 apples. Apples. Can you say that with me? Apples. Very good. Apples. One more time. Apples. Excellent. Okay, let's listen to each of these words. I want you to listen, say the word, and then point to the correct fruit. Okay, are you ready? Which is this word? Let's see. Is this it? No, it's not that. How about this one? Yes, very good. They're watermelons.
Watermelons.
Watermelons. They're watermelons.
Watermelons.
Now, because you've been doing so well, let's play a quick memory game. So, I will click on a picture, and I want you to say the sentence. Everybody together? They're apples. They're apples. Now, choose which one do you think matches apples? Let's choose number 7. Uh-oh, were they the same? No. So we have to choose a different one. Okay, great job, everyone. Let's review. What are they? They're oranges. What are they? They're watermelons. What are they? They're apples. Very good. All right. Now, let's look down here. Now, we have 2 kids, and they are talking about the different fruit on the table. Is there one piece of fruit? No, there are many pieces of fruit. So, we should ask and answer the questions together by counting. So let's listen to what they say.
Track 91. B. Listen and repeat. Then ask and answer. Number 1.
How many bananas?
Everybody together. How many bananas? Very good.
5 bananas.
Everybody together. 5 bananas. Now, how does he know there are 5 bananas? Well, look at the picture. We can see the bananas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas. So everybody together, how many bananas? 5 bananas. Very good. Okay, let's do the next one together. All right, let's now break into groups. One group is going to ask the question. The other group is going to answer the question. So group 1, you will say, how many apples? Everybody in group 1? Very good. How many apples? And group 2, you are going to answer, how many apples? 6 apples. Very good. So, practice that with each of these types of fruit here, and then we will switch. All right, everybody. Great job today. We're going to play one quick game before we go. So today's game is going to be rock, paper, scissors. So we need our hands for this. So let's make a rock hand. This is a rock hand. What about a paper hand? This is a paper hand. And what about a scissors hand? This is a scissors hand. So, 2 people will compete. They will say, rock, paper, scissors, and then they will show one of those hands. The winner will ask a question. They will ask, how many apples? And the loser will answer, 4 apples. Okay? We will do this using our groups from before. And the team that is first to 5 will be the winner. Are you ready to start? All right, everybody. Before we pack up for the day, let's look at our homework. Your homework today is going to be the workbook. Let's look at the workbook. Pages 58 and page 59. Okay, what is your homework? Workbook pages 58 and 59. All right, I will see you next time for lesson 2 of Unit 9.